Welcome to Introduction to Computers, CIS110. This brief video will demonstrate how to navigate the course materials in Blackboard and connect to Cengage's Interactive Learning Environment, SAM, which stands for Skills Assessment Manager. The first area that you're going to want to review is the course information. You can access this by clicking Course Information or Start Here in the menu. In this section, you will find instructions on what to do on the first day of class, important notes, textbook requirements, and even a link to the course syllabus. This course requires you to purchase the New Perspectives Microsoft Office 365 and Office 2016 Introductory Textbook. The textbook comes with an access code that you will need to log on to SAM and gain access to the assignments. The textbook also comes with a 180-day trial version of Office 365. You can purchase the textbook package from Coastal's bookstore. You also have the option of purchasing just the ebook and the access code directly from Cengage. The course syllabus will outline how the course is going to run throughout the semester. Both online and seated students need to pay particular attention to the attendance policy. For the online students, there is an assignment due every week, and when you access the assignment through Blackboard for that week, the system records your attendance in the class. If you do not log into Blackboard for 2 weeks, consecutive or non-consecutively, you will be dropped by your instructor on the 3rd week. Reinstatement is at the discretion of each instructor. In the menu on the left, you will also see a link to the student surveys. This is where the Pell Grant survey can be found when it is released. An announcement will be posted when the survey is available. Only online students need to complete and print out the survey. The contact information link will not only provide you with information on how to get in touch with your instructor, but also information for the following people. The Department Head of Computer Programs is Mr. Brett Cabradilla. The Division Chair for Business Technology and Legal Services is Ms. Yvonne Leonard. Our CIS110 tutor is Mr. John Ketchmore. The tutor is only available during the fall and spring semesters. In the next section, Assignments, you will find a link to each of our sections that we cover during the semester. At the top of the Assignments page, there are instructions on how to log into SAM, how to navigate around in SAM, and how to complete assignments in SAM. Within each section, for example in Microsoft Word, there are links that will take you directly to SAM, where you can download the starting project files for each chapter. The first time you select one of these links, you will need to enter your access code. Cengage does offer a 14-day trial period if you're waiting on funds to purchase the book and the code. You will also see a link to the ebook. Even if you have bought the printed book, all students have access to the electronic version. One of the first tasks that you will have is to post your introductory response to the discussion board. This will help verify your initial attendance in the class. The discussion board also includes a thread where you can post questions related to Microsoft Office. Both your instructor and your fellow classmates may answer your questions. SAM also includes optional simulation training for those of you who want to see how a particular task is done. There is simulation training for each chapter in every section. The training walks you through exactly how to perform each task covered in the chapter. You can observe the task and then click Apply to try it yourself. The simulation training is not part of your grade. The first module, Computer Concepts, has 2 assignments that you will need to complete and upload directly into Blackboard. Follow the instructions and then upload the completed Word files to Blackboard by selecting the assignment name link and then attaching the document. Week 2 also includes a short quiz that is actually going to be taken in SAM. Your instructor will post the grades for these assignments in the gradebook after review. For all the remaining sections, you'll begin by downloading the starting files to your local computer. These files will be stamped with your name as part of the file name. Follow the instructions either in the book for the textbook projects or from the downloaded instruction sheet for the SAM projects, and then upload the completed file back to SAM for grading. For each chapter, you will complete a textbook project, and for example, in Word, there are actually 2 parts to it. And then you will complete a SAM graded project. And finally, at the end of the, for example, Word module, you will complete a capstone project in week 4. The capstone project will cover all aspects of what you did throughout each of the other weeks. Keep in mind that when you are completing the textbook projects, you must use the SAM starting file, which many times is just a blank file, to receive credit. Disregard the printed textbook instructions that ask you to create a new file or to use a file from another location. To see how you did on a project, click the SAM report link and then select Reports. Review the errors in the report file and then open the file that you submitted. Make the corrections and then upload again to improve your grade. You can submit the textbook and the SAM project files for each chapter up to 3 times. Capstone projects, which serve as your exams and cover all the chapters in the module, can be submitted twice. There are no other exams in CIS110. In the Help and Resources area, you will find links to Cengage support, Coastal's Help Desk, and distance learning resources, as well as several links for Blackboard support. CIS110 also offers all students access to a tutor who's located in the Business and Technology Building Office number 231. Office hours vary by semester, so you can make an appointment with the tutor by calling 910-938-6849. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor. Once again, welcome to Introduction to Computers and enjoy the class. Thank you.